Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to recover permanently deleted files and folders in Google Drive. Now normally when you are going to delete, say for example this file right here, what it's going to do is it's just going to move here in trash. From here you have the option of right clicking and then restoring it, and it's going to go back to your folder. But what if, say for example, you have already emptied the trash and deleted this forever? There is an option actually in how to recover that one. Go ahead and head over to Google and type delete and restore files in Google Drive. And if you do that, you should be able to see here a support. So recover a deleted file in Google Drive. Click this one right here, and you are going to scroll down to the bottommost part here. Oops, instead of this one, let's go ahead, head back here a little bit. You can see here, request file recovery. That's what we're gonna do. Click that one over there, and it's gonna ask you to sign in once again. So go ahead and enter your password here. All right, there you go. So try recovery steps. Before you begin file recovery for your account, check your trash. And again, we have already emptied the trash. Now, here, were you able to find and recover the files? Say no, click continue, and then from here, go ahead and click request file recovery. And then here we receive your Google Drive file recovery request. Your case ID is this one, and then we should be receiving an email from them. So let's go ahead and check our email. And from this point forward, what we're gonna do really is more on following the instruction. And as you can see here, it says that they have received the request. They are now trying to restore files that were recently deleted. We will be notified via email to the result of this request. Now, do note though that they won't be able to restore files that were uploaded to Gmail or Google Drive, deleted more than 25 days ago, and backups from applications. So those are things that they won't be able to do. So yeah, from this point forward, it's just gonna be a waiting game. So I want you to go ahead and try to check that one from time to time. And that everybody is how you're going to recover permanently deleted files in Google Drive.